Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I got a video for you today. So today I don't think I've seen a video, or maybe I wasn't really looking, but today what we're doing, we are replacing all of our wiper blades in the GR Corolla. They're not cleaning the way they're supposed to. This is a 23 and we're in 26, but it's not cleaning the way it's supposed to, and the front is ripped. So anyway, I bought some from Amazon. I'm going to show you what I bought. I'll put the link down in the description down below. But we're going to replace all the wiper blade in the GR Corolla. A lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed. Boop, 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 boop. Hit the subscribe button down below. Put notification bell on so you don't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's custom it. Okay guys, so this one, to get access to that, you see you can't do the wiper blades. So this, you're supposed to lift it from this way, and then you'll be able to lift this one. Let me grab my tool, I'll show you how to do it. So we should be able to pop this thing out. You just slide it, and then you can lift this thing up. Right, there you go. You just twist it around, and then there you go. See, this is the old one, the OEM. It seems okay, it's not ripped, but I didn't feel like it was cleaning the way I wanted to clean. So let me show you the new one that I got. All right, so I got this one, guys, from Amazon. Let me take it out. Okay, so I should be able to, let me see, come with multiple adapter, guys. Okay, maybe this one. Nope, it's not this one. All right, maybe. Alright, maybe it's this adapter, because it comes with two different adapters. Oh, maybe I got it backward, like this. Okay, I think it's on, guys. You just got to put it at an angle. There you go. It's not coming out. And then, poof, lay this down, and then we like this in place. That's it for the rear. This rear wiper is done. Let's move on to the front one. Okay guys, for the front one, the number one reason why I'm changing it is this big wiper blade. The front one, the way you take it out, there's a little latch here. You pop the latch out like this, and then you slide it out, and you should be able to, there we go, take it out. This is it, guys. So latch here, oop, like that. You lift the latch, oops, sorry, you lift the latch, and then you twist this and then pull it up, and that's it, it's out. So this is the one that I ordered, guys. Latitude Rain X Repellent. So it's a one blade one. Those are usually pretty good. I had them, see, these type one, I had them in my other car, and they worked pretty well. So you normally pop this guy out, and then you kind of slide it in. Let me show you guys. So I'll try to zoom in. So you put it like this, and you slide it out, and you lock it. Okay, and then before you put it on, you take the yellow piece out, you just slide it up. Okay, if your hand don't have to touch it, it's best, and then you just slide it down. There we go, guys. It looks a lot better. I'm not gonna lie, it looks so much better. We're going to see if this works the best when it rains again. This one is done. Let's do the passenger side. Okay guys, so passenger is the same way. You lift this thing up, slide down. This looks small. Doesn't look like a 14. Right, let's take it out and see. Oh, it is. Let me see, it just looks different. Oh, okay. It's the same one, guys. Well, same size. So the way we did it, the same way, you pop this thing off, and then you grab this, you slide it in here. Okay, lock down, then you take this yellow part out. Boom, done, guys. Nice. And so guys, I'll see what it looks like after, when it rains. So this is 14 inch, this is 26. So I like the one piecer, especially this one. It should clean the window a lot better. So that's it, guys. It's all done. All right, guys, as you can see, this little sample mod for your 23 wiper blade is all done. It's very easy, guys. You know, once you figure out how to do it, it's all done. Like and subscribe, comment down below, tell me what you think. Until the next time, peace.